Favorite thing, going through wood, making sure that we get nice straight pieces. Yay! Hey, so we are starting to build a greenhouse today. That's why we were at the store getting wood. And now we're gonna build walls. I feel like it's always slow going, getting started. But once we get started, it'll be good. He made the plans for him, so for it, it'll be exciting. Here's our greenhouse, all with all the sides framed up. Got a door that'll be here, a window there, a window there. And we'll hopefully build the roof framing tomorrow. Hello, hello. We're outside working again on our greenhouse. We are really determined to get this done. So we'll see how fast we go, but here's our progress. So these support beams and all but this back wall we need to put in. So we put those in and we did some roof measurements. It's coming. Hey, so we ran out of wood, so this is where we're at. So we put roof on and support beams in between all these. We're deciding if we're gonna cut this overhang off or keep it. I think we decided on cut it off. And we had to add a couple more supports down here, we decided. And we have to buy plastic anyway, so we'll just get more wood when we buy plastic. Paneling. And now I need to decide if I'm gonna paint this white or if I'm gonna leave it just the wood. I don't know. There's lots of wood over here. My shop is kind of like a greeny blue with white trim, so I think it would go really well. And my clubhouse is gonna be white. I don't know. We're thinking. Okay, here's our greenhouse at nighttime. So pretty. Oh, now it's getting super dark. Looks good, even at night. Now we're at Home Depot. We got our clear panels for the greenhouse. They didn't have the exact same pattern as Lowe's, and we got the spacer sticks from Home Depot, so we had to get the clear panels from here too. Super fun, and we ran out of wood, so you know, we had to buy some more of that. Here we are, just starting to stain. My husband's staining. I was holding the thing for him, but I thought I'd shoot a quick video. So we got these bars up here and a header above, or door frame above the header, and we put a finishing piece on this end here for the overhang. And here's the stain. Oh gosh. How we're using, so it's Olympic brand, semi-transparent. Where's the lid at? Just here we go. Olympic stain, outside white. I guess this is what it's called. But yeah, we're excited. So it'll have a little bit of a white tint, but it's a stain. So it'll seep into the wood nice, and it'll seal it and protect it from the weather. Here it is. We have a door on our greenhouse. It took a lot of work and we had a lot of problems. So the concrete here is sloped down, so which means this entire framed area sloped. But you know, we made the door square, but we need the door to open and shut, so we had to like kind of put the door in and then shim it more. Like on the sides, it's a lot more gappy than the tops, and then the top, you see how we had to put this board down and stuff. So we have, it's just a storm door. It's not like a real house door, but we thought this would be good between, not some too heavy, but something that will just work nice for a greenhouse. So yay, now we can finish doing the paneling, finally. Okay, so it's getting super crazy windy out here, so we have to stop, but we got the door on. Like I said earlier, we got this panel, and then we got 2 other panels back here in the back. So, oh, 3, just kidding, we got 3 other panels back there. And then, so we have 1 more panel back here, plus the roof line, and 2 more panels over here. And then the roof, and then up almost to the roof, and then the roof line, and then that'll be it. We're not gonna get done tomorrow, but we'll get as much as we can. So we're out here working the greenhouse. That wall was done Saturday, and this wall has been done for a little bit, and we finished this wall. Now we're working on the roof and the roof line, the connection from the roof down to there, and figuring out how to do the edging. So we'll see how it turns out. We're experimenting. Okay, so we did some major progress on the greenhouse today. The roof is on, not on fire, the roof is on. So we got the roof on, and then we curved this edge here to finish that edging. We've still got to cut this off to leave just like a 3-inch overhang. And take you back to the back. We finished that last long panel and all those triangle pieces, and then we just have to curve this over. So not too much more, and then we'll caulk all the gappy places to keep the heat in the winter. Yay, there it is. Looking all good. Okay, so my phone's about to die, but I wanted to show you the progress that we've made on the greenhouse before I forget again for like the 3rd day in a row. So the front, all screwed in. We have to do some screws along the bottom here. I can't remember why I even showed you last time. My husband cut this off, so that's just 3 inches overhang so the wind can't rip it off. And he finished screwing and drilling in that side of the roof, and then we have some more screws that need to go along here. And then I have to do some touch-up paint because I had to Dremel out part of the door. Get over here before my force slide. So down here, I had to Dremel all this out to make it flat and flush with the door. So I had to repaint that, and that's it. And it's done. Whew, it's hot in here. Yay, it's just what we want. Looks good. So this morning, I've been working on the greenhouse, the never-ending project. It's just because we're super particular, and then, like, you know, life happens, things come up. I have just normal life that we gotta do too. So I thought I would give you a quick update. Here we go. Okay, so here's our greenhouse. So this morning, what I've done is up there along this interior roof line, I caulked all of that, which took like a tube every single slot, because there's so many gaps, and it's like, it probably would have been easier to have my husband caulk it when he would have been up there in the first, while he was putting the plastic paneling up on the roof, and then he was already up there, and he would have just done one panel at a time and caulked it to the shop, or it would have either been to the shop or to the wood border there. But that would have been easier. Hindsight, you know, hindsight's 20/20. I wish we had some more hindsight before it was actually hindsight. Foresight, that's what it is. Wish we had some foresight. So I still don't have screws for the outside there. You can tell we go to the store super often. So I have to do that and then caulk that, and then we'll be officially sealed in